Captain Chris. I'd like to show you what to expect from a marine survey. This is a big propeller. You can see across. You can barely reach across, so it's at least 3 feet, 3.5 feet across. Pretty big. And I want to show you how easy it is to rotate these. I can grab it by hand and spin it. And this is part of a marine survey to decide if the shaft is bent or warped. And I know this looks easy because of the bigger, greater leverage I have from the outside edges. But let me try it from the inside here. So I can spin it here. Yes, it's a little bit more struggle to do it, but I can still spin it here. So that way you can determine if the shaft is straight and true and if the engine transmission is in alignment with the propeller shaft. If you've got questions about this, you know who to call. Ask Captain Chris.